Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a collaboration video. This is for the hashtag Friday Fave paper pad, hosted by Helen, and she is Cosmo's Crafty Mom here on YouTube. And what we're doing is we're sharing a paper pad that we love, like new, used, it doesn't matter. It's just a place to share one of your paper pads. So I really like paper. So this is the perfect collaboration for me. So let's get started. So today I'd like to share with you this My Mind's Eye 6x6 paper pad. Looks like I picked this up at Tuesday morning, like in 2018. So it's been out there for a minute. And it's called Bliss, but it's such a pretty paper pad. It has originally had 24 sheets of double-sided design. So let's take a look. So it starts out with this really sweet, pretty design with the foiling. Can you see that bling there? And then on the flip side of that is some green stripes. And then this is really cute. And it's these little hearts, and they are foiled. And then that has this honeycombs, really light honeycomb, green honeycomb design. And then this is a wedding cakes. Or I guess it could be a birthday cake. That'd be a huge birthday cake, huh? But it has the foiling on it too. And then the flip side of it has a word that says, let's eat cake, love together, better together. Really cute. And then I really like this page. I'm just waiting for you to decorate it with the gold foiling. And then the big giant heart. And then this page with the floral design and the soft stripes there. And then this page just ready to be decorated somehow. I don't know if I would ever use this because it's so big, but it's really pretty. And I like the flip side. It has the off-centered green dots with the dark outline. And then this really pretty floral design with this beautiful. And then love with kind of like outline in gold. I don't know if you can see it there. And these really cute honeycomb, really soft pink or peach color there. And then this one with the squiggly line and the solid line. And once again, those offset, is it the same one? A little different than the one we had earlier. I won't go back, but I really like this one. This is really nice with the green and peach, and then it has gold foiling and the stripes on the back. And then this diamond shape with the gold accent. And then the really soft, solid color there, or kind of watercolor look. And then I think we're starting over with the florals and hearts and cakes, so on and so forth. I think there was one design, yeah, that I've used this one. But there's that one. And the flip side is soft green. And I think that's it. So yeah, so this is the Bliss paper pad by My Mind's Eye, 6x6 paper pad with 24 sheets of double-sided designs. So once again, this is the collaboration hashtag Friday Fave paper pad hosted by Helen, who's Cosmo's Crafty Mom here on YouTube. So check out the hashtag for all the other collaborators and see what paper pad they love. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.